Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive maintenance guide for your HP gaming laptop. Today, we will explore essential steps to ensure your device performs at its best. Let's get started. First, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, microfiber cloths, and thermal paste. These items will help you with internal cleaning and maintenance. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from the power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical issues during maintenance. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step ensures safety while accessing the internal components. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of your laptop. Make sure to keep track of all screws, as they vary in size. Place them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the panel is removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Now, let's focus on cleaning. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the heatsink and fans. This is vital to prevent overheating during gaming sessions. Remember, if you don't have the tools or time for this, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you get professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the interior surfaces. Be cautious around delicate components. If you notice any dust buildup on the motherboard or RAM, use the compressed air to clean it thoroughly, but avoid direct contact. After cleaning, inspect the thermal paste on your CPU and GPU. If it looks dry or cracked, it's time for a replacement. Carefully remove the old thermal paste using a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Once cleaned, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU. Spread it evenly using a plastic spatula or your finger with a glove. This step is essential for maintaining optimal temperatures during high-performance tasks. Once the thermal paste is applied, reattach the back panel of your laptop, securing all screws tightly. Ensure that all components are connected properly before powering it back on. This maintenance will help extend the life of your device and enhance performance. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect without any surprise costs. With our services, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. Simply schedule a pickup, and we'll take care of the rest. Now that your laptop is reassembled, power it on and check the performance. Monitor the temperatures using software tools to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance like this can prevent future issues and keep your gaming laptop in top shape. In summary, maintaining your HP gaming laptop involves cleaning, thermal paste application, and ensuring all components are secure. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your gaming experience. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your technology in peak condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.